Hey Queens, I hope everybody is having a wonderful Christmas. So Merry Christmas to you guys. I hope you got like what you wanted and everything like that. I wanted to get on here because I have Queen Mail from Pretty Love. Plus I thought with it being Christmas time that I would open up some cute little blind bags. So, Pretty Love asked me if I got her package, which I just went down to the mailbox since I didn't get it yesterday. So, because the guy was still sorting the mail. So, she's so sweet. She didn't have to do this. Please go, subscribe to her channel, show her some love, because I believe in positive vibes. I believe women should be supporting women, not bashing them. So let's get into this fun little haul. Ooh, this is so cute. I love this. She sent me this cute little bag charm, pink butterfly, or you can put it on your wallet. And then I got this wallet, which is really cute. I think I ended up putting this on my wish list because she was showing me a bunch of bow stuff. But now I have it. This is so cute. Like, look at that. I just got like 2 different shades of color pink. It's like, I love it. That is so cute. Thank you, girly. That's so sweet of you. And then she sent me this really pretty rose pink lip gloss. That's really pretty. And then she sent me this blush rose lippy. Looks like it's got vitamin B in it, so she sent me that. And then, ooh, she sent me this. This is cute. Let me see. She sent me this. Oh, I love that for my bag. And then that's it. Just wanted to make sure. This is this cute little packaging. Thank you so much, girly. I appreciate your love and support. I'm going to get her a few little things and send them to her. I just like to do that. Like, when someone is considering sending me friend mail, I just like to, you know, do the same. But I know, like, some people say, no, you don't have to, but I just like to do that. So, yeah, these are my cute little items that I got. So, thank you so much. I'm going to put them in here for now so I don't lose anything. I don't know. Alright, let's get into opening some cute things. I got this mini fashion series. I got the scented, I think this is, I don't know what this is. I'm trying to figure out what this is, this creature. But I got the scented animal, and it's in fruity, oh, it's a fox. It's in Fruity Fox bubble gum.
Okay.
It's the real littles. Sorry.
It's deleted.
But I don't know what deleted, but give me a minute. Okay, that was just weird. My tablet started talking and said, I'll delete it, and I'm like trying to figure out what they deleted, but I'm back. So I got this cute little mini fashion, and then I have the fox and bubble gum, which you guys know I love bubble gum. It's the Real Littles. I like to collect these. And then I got the cute little miniature adorables, which these are fun to make as keychains. So let's get into it. Let's open up to this one first. I hope everybody had a wonderful time with their family. I just stayed home, relaxed, didn't do much. Like I said, I didn't really, just stayed home with my mom, dad, just relaxed. I hate it when you cannot peel these all away. Finally got it. I like these cute little miniature bags. They're so cute. And I think that's series 2. But yeah, this is so fun. Man, they sure do make it hard for you to get into, huh? There we go. There. Okay. Get comfortable here. Let's see what we got. Got the checklist. For some reason, I was thinking that there was a sticker, but maybe not. Oh my goodness, I don't think I have this one. This one is so cute. Like, look how cute that is. And I love the fact that it opens, and if you wanted to, like, you know, us women, we like to put things inside these things, like you can put like some Tylenol or something in them. This is so cute. Or you can hang it on the front of your bag. If you want to know where you get these, you can pretty much get them at Walmart, like Myers, if you got a Myers. But yeah, that is cute. I love that. Let's see what we got here. And these are so cute for Barbies. Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah, you do get a sticker. So I got a sticker of a shoe, which I like to put these in my junk journals. And then I got these cute little eyelashes. And they open. How cute is that? They open. Oh, they're so cute. And then I got this camera. And then I got some nails. That's so cute. They have like a miniature camera that I'm thinking about going to get at Five and Below. It's a miniature one that you can put like on a keychain, and it actually takes pictures. I want it so bad. It's like $20. I want it so bad. So yeah, when I get paid next week, that'll be probably my last like shopping trip for a little bit. I mean, I'll still shop, but not as much, because I gotta start saving for my trip for 2026, of the summer of 2026. I'm gonna be going to see my boyfriend, so I gotta start saving money for that. So I can't wait. Okay, so let's open up this Real Littles. Try to get it into it. Well, I'm glad I got my scissors here. I hope the winner of the clear purple bag contact me. I've been checking my emails. If they don't contact me within a few hours, I'm gonna have to draw another person because I still have not heard from that person. So hopefully, and then I'm gonna be drawing the winner of the Chanel dupe bag because I'm trying to get all my bag giveaways get sent out because I just jumped into another bag and I'm gonna be doing a bag giveaway on that video. So yeah, these are so cute. I like how the door opens. So let's open up the door. Here's the first prize. One. How many is in here? Sometimes you get 3, sometimes you get 2. Looks like we got 2. Let's see what characters we got. These make cute bag charms. Oh, it's from Toy Story. It's a little alien, and they're so cute, and they're this. Oh, these ones are the squishy ones. These are so cute. Let's see. And then we got, I think this one's from Princess and the Frog. It's so cute. Yeah, here's the cheat sheet, which I need to get it out. Oh, they make it so difficult. Now we gotta see. Okay. Oh, okay, we just turn it up there. Okay. Let's see how many we got in this door. We have 1 and we have 2. Oh, for Monsters Inc. These are so cute. I thought maybe they would fit on a pencil, but too small for that. Let's see what we got here. Got this cat. I can't think of where he's from. I don't know if it's from... It might be from either Lion King or... No. It might be from maybe Jungle Book or Aladdin. That's what I'm thinking. Okay, I don't know if this is the last door. Let's see how many we have in here. We got... It's hard to get out. We got 1 and we got 2. Is that all of them? Yep. All of them from that one. Who do we got? We got Donald Duck. So cute. These are really cute. Ariel. So cute. Princess Kayla would like her. She likes Ariel. So that is it for that. Let me move my papers. Let me see what that cat is from. I just need to see who that's from. Or and it's a rare too, so that's cool. I cannot pronounce that name. So cute. No, it's a common. Alright, they do have a rare that looks alike, but it's a common. But I can't pronounce the name. Alright, so let's get into this. I cannot wait to see what this smells like. If it actually smells like bubblegum. I love these. I have still not gotten half of them. There's some more that I want to collect, but I don't know. I say I want to collect them all, but I never do. Okay. Let's get into it. Ooh, that smells so good. It smells like fruity bubblegum. Mm-mm-mm. I'll probably do a haul video here soon. Because I have some stuff that I got from Five and Below that came the other day, so I want to share that. I love it. These smell so good. Let's see what we got inside. So, oh my gosh, these are adorable. So, the sticky notes is a piece of bubble gum, like flat bubble gum. That is so cute. And then here's the stickers, which is a piece of bubble gum, grapes. That is so cute. Here is the clip. I love these stickers. These are really cute. Oh, how cute. Here's the little notebook as a, bubblegum machine. And of course, it looks like a fox. Here's the back of it. This is so cute. Here is the cute little ruler. And then this looks like a stick of gum. Let me see what it is. It's a pen. This is so cute. I love this. These are so cute and fun. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed. That is it for my video. If you're new to my channel, feel free to hit the subscribe button because I do have a birthday challenge giveaway going on, which I am going to be I'm getting a few more little things, and then I'm going to be announcing the winner to that soon. It's 2 winners. One is from, like, out of the U.S. They'll get a gift card, and the other one is a box of cute little goodies. So, yeah, I hope everybody has having a wonderful day. Until then, be kind, be safe, take care. Much love.